Welcome to Mum's Craft with Children. Could you think why I'm doing this? I'll tell you later. We have some used cards, so we're gonna use them again. So today we are at home because there's coronavirus. So we're going to enjoy ourselves by doing some craft. So right now I've got some flowers, a stick, a ladybird and a plate. I got a glue and a caterpillar and a leaf and a stick and a plate.
Okay.
Now we can stick the ladybug and caterpillar on the sticks by the glue. Cut the leaf and plate. After, take some glue and stick the leaf and plate together. We can make this and do the different pictures to the other ones. So cut through the middle of the plate, so then we can put the stick inside. So we just made this now. So now we're going to take the stick and the ladybug which we sticked. I'm going to put it where the line is. That's cutted. Carefully put that in. Now I'm going to make it like it's actually going. This is called a moving picture. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. If you do this, it will be easy to tidy up and your mummy will get so proud.